Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic keyboard shortcuts and key tips. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you want to learn about the Microsoft project software. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, shortcut keys is a very common way to use the Microsoft project. Honestly, I'm also using the shortcut keys of keyboard because it's very easy. And maybe you think that why if we have a keyboard, so why we need a keyboard shortcut key? Friend, whenever we are regularly working and using the Microsoft project, so it's better, it's easier to use the shortcut keys because it will facilitate, it will make easier your life to use the keyboard shortcut keys. So let's start, friend. Let me enter, like for example I am entering a simple task 1 here. Okay, I have entered task 1 here in the task name section. Now friend, see, for example, if you mouse over here, so it is showing that for paste the shortcut key is Control V. For cut, the shortcut key is Control plus X. For copy, Control C is a shortcut key. For format printer, you can use the copy formatting from, like you have to click on that. Then for B, for bold, Control B, Control I for italic, and for underline, Control U. Let me show you here. For example, if you just click here and Control plus B enter, so see it will become bold. Control I, it will become italic, and Control U, it will become underline. Similarly, if you press again, it will revert back the changes like that. So shortcut keys are very easy to use, and it's better to use. Now friend, here is the question that if you don't remember the shortcut keys, so how will you find out those shortcut keys? Here is the option of help. Okay, either you can enter the F1 button or click here. So once you click here, you can reach here on this. If you just find it from here, like for example keyboard shortcut, for example you enter it here and click here. So here is the shortcut keys available. For example, change or resize the font. Okay, so it is showing the different shortcut keys. Okay, for change the font, Control plus Shift plus F. So different shortcut keys are available. You can use it, or either you can do like you can take the print out of this page, so and put it on your working wall, so it will be very easier for you to memorize, and just for reference purpose it will be easier. So the other thing is that friend, for example, you don't remember the shortcut keys. Now we can talk about the key tips, how you can find. Just enter the Alt key like that. It is showing you like the key tips here, the shortcut like 1 2 3, one for save, 2 for cut. Okay, now for example you remember that the for example you want to underline this this task and you don't remember the shortcut key. Now what you can do, you want to underline it. Okay, so you remember that the underline was in the H section. For example, you press enter. Okay, and then you press the Fn. So this more section will be open here. Now use the tab. Okay, now use the tab here, and now you reach on the underline. Click on the underline, or okay, and then okay. So see, it will has been become now underline. So it's just a way to memorize the things. If you don't want to use it, so you just take the printout from the section and just memorize it, so it will be easier. Here in the end, I just want to say that the shortcut keys makes easier your life, and it will faster the processing of working of your projects, making when you are making the project plans, like control C, control V, control X. These are very common shortcut keys, and it should be used because it will make easier your life. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.